Good morning, students. All of you take out your copy, put the date, write the heading lesson number 15, the working of the UN. First question you will write is define. First one, UNESCO, United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. Second one is UNICEF, United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. Now answer these questions. First one, which countries are the permanent members of the UN? So answer you will write, the permanent members of the UN are as follows. First one UK, second US, third France, fourth China, fifth Russia. Second question is, which is the most powerful organ of the UN? The Security Council is the most powerful organ of the UN. Question number 3. What are the functions of the following? Answer 3. The functions are as follows. UNICEF, it helps the countries to solve the problems, providing education as well as bringing them up in a hygienic and disease-free environment. Next is UNESCO. The UNESCO was established in 1946. The main aim of the organization is to help people in the field of education. It provides science education in backward countries. It helps in preserving old monuments. Third one, WHO. It helps in improving the health of the people of the world. It helps countries to control epidemics that cannot be totally eradicated. Now eradicated means removed. FAO, it is the organization that helps in providing food to all. It helps making available the resources for improving food production. Fifth one is ILO. It helps the nations in improving the working condition of their people. It tries to sort out problems between government, employer and workers. Now the last question is number 4. What are the achievements of the UN? So answer you will write, the UN has been able to fulfill its aim to some extent. Some of its achievements are listed below. It has been able to resolve international disputes peacefully. It has played a remarkable role in arms control, especially by stopping nations from using dangerous nuclear weapons. It has also been successful in providing help to all the developing countries in their fight against poverty, disease and illiteracy. It has also gained tremendous success in improving cultural cooperation among the nations. With the help of its specialized agencies, it has been able to improve food production and provide better working conditions for industrial workers. It has also been successful in providing relief to the refugees and the victim of calamities. Students, this answer is given on page number 92 under the heading Achievements of the UN. So you can see from that and write. Now students, the drawings that you have to do is structure of the UN. Then the next one is symbol of the UNICEF. Then the third one is symbol of WHO. Fourth one is symbol of FAO and symbol of ILO and symbol of UNESCO. So all these drawings also you have to do it in your copy. So students, all of you write these questions. You can pause the video if you find it is going very fast. So pause it and write one answer and complete your work, and after that learn it. And every day learning is very, very important. So I am just a click away. Anytime you can learn with me all the subjects. Thank you.